One of my favorite things to use in the classroom is Google Forms that tell you whether or not you're correct as you're working on the quiz problems. So for example, let's say I'm working on problem number 1. I put in my answer. I go to move on to the next problem. And I get this little message that says, oh, keep trying. So that is a great way for me to know that I've goofed so that I can go back and check it before I've moved on to the next one. But then, let's say I've reworked the problem and I got it, and I type it again. So let's say I think now I have the answer this time. And it's not fussing at me saying, ooh, keep trying. So I know that I did it correctly. So these make great practice pages for you because you don't have to worry about waiting for somebody to help you to let you know or check your work, I guess I should say, to figure out whether or not you're correct.